What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and Turn Motivation into Millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, so just follow links in the description, and there'll be no way for you guys to follow any of these fake King Hussle pages or get scammed by any of these fake King Hussle pages. All right. And before y'all send y'all money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're talking to me and doing legit business and you're not getting scammed, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get into this sauce. So today I'm going to be talking about a personal loan where you can go to get up to $50,000. And they accept the minimum FICO score of 300, right? And I know a lot of people be like, oh, man, you be making these videos. Listen, these lenders are not just going to give anybody loans, all right? I'm making these videos for people who have their business in order. I'm making these videos for people who try to apply for these loans and can't get these loans. They see that and it should click in their head like, you know what? Let me stop playing around. Let me get my business in order. Let me get my life in order so I can really start getting these loans, these credit cards that I really need. So today I'm going to be talking about a place called Upstart. I know a couple of you probably heard about it. A couple of you probably didn't hear about it. But Upstart will literally give you up to $50,000 with a 300 FICO score. Just have at least, we'll talk about all that in a second. So basically, what I'm going to do is, like I do in every other video, I'm going to literally show you, tell you step by step what you need to do before you go apply for these loans so you can have a better chance of getting approved. Because like I said, let's say you were 18, 17, 18, 19, 20-year-old out there. Your credit profile is fairly new. You don't have nothing going on there. You probably don't got a job. So you're making it harder on yourself to get this loan. So if you're not getting approved for these loans, you're 18, 19, 20, or under 21, you got to understand your credit profile is not, you have nothing established. 9 times out of 10, you don't have a job. So just because you have, or 9 times out of 10, you don't have a bank account, checking or savings account. So I'm telling you this to make sure that you know, get your business in order and go get you a job or go start generating you some income. Go get you a bank account, personal checking and savings. Start getting things in your name. Start adding these trade lines to your credit, and then you'll have a better chance of getting approved. If you're an adult out there, you're not getting approved. 9 times out of 10, you don't have a job. 9 times out of 10, you don't have anything established on your CP, and 9 times out of 10, you're not getting any direct deposits to your, if you do have a bank account, to see that that's how you're going to pay your money back. There's something why you're not getting approved for these loans. Because like I said, these loans are not fake. They're not scam pages or anything. These lenders are real, but they're not going to lend their money to anybody. All right. So everybody that's watching these videos that's commenting saying, oh, that's fake, I didn't get approved. No, you just didn't get approved because something isn't right with your business. So once again, I'm going to tell you guys what to do to get your credit profile in order so you can start getting approved for these loans. All right. So boom, the first thing you're going to do is get your free credit profile, your credit report, your FICO scores, your 3 FICO scores. You're going to get the report, your credit report. Once you get your credit report, you're going to see all the collections, all the inquiries that you have on your credit profile. Once you see all the collections, any collection over 7 years old is deemed to be expired. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. You're going to freeze all your credit profiles and get across the 3 credit bureaus. Once you freeze them, then you're going to dispute all the collections off your account. It don't matter if it's student loans or credit, whatever. If it's on there, just dispute it, right? Because now you're going to do some cleaning. So after 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing some fall-offs, right? And this is for anybody who has, loans or has bad credit, mainly people 25 or older. Boom. So you're going to clean it up. Boom. Things after 2 weeks, things are going to start dropping off. And then with the inquiries, you can call. It literally tells you who's reporting this inquiry on your credit report. You can call them. It's going to be TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. You just call them, holler at them, say what you got to say. Get it off your report. Boom. So now you clean it off. Then you go add some trade lines. And I showed you guys where to go add up to $45,000 in trade lines to your credit profile so you can start getting approved for these loans. So you got $45,000 in trade lines on your credit profile. It means you have at least $45,000 in debt that you're paying, and you're paying it back on time, which means you're a good liability. You're showing good liability for this credit, for someone to loan you money. And like I said, if you get any debt on your credit, it's classified as either bad debt or good debt. It's all up to you. So you got debt on your credit that you could be paying off and get it back to good standing. Do that. Do not delete it off your credit, because now that's going to add points to your credit. Now you're getting it back to good standing, and it's going to keep your debt at a high rate. Boom. The more debt you have and you're paying it off on time, the higher limit of loans and credit cards that you'll get. But that's on the personal side. A lot of people try to get these personal loans when you should be trying to get these loans on the business side. But we'll talk about that in a second. So boom. So once you got them trade lines, you add them trade lines, and you let them circulate for at least a month or 2 weeks to a month. Boom. Then you go to the website and try to fill out the loan. And now I'm gonna show you where you go try to where you fill out the loan and get you up to $50,000 in a personal loan. Bad credit accepted. Let's check it out. So we're gonna be talking about Upstart personal loans today. All right, and this is a report from CNBC. All right, so a lot of people be like, oh, everybody know about Upstart. So annual percentage rate (APR). Let me find my cursor. 7.96% to 35.97%. Loan amounts from $1,000 to $50,000. Credit needed. Credit score of 300 on at least one credit report, but will accept applications whose credit history is so insignificant they don't have a credit score. All right? That's not me saying it, it's them saying it. Early payoff penalty, none. Loan purpose, debt cancellation, credit card refinancing, home improvement, wedding, moving, or medical. Terms, 36 to 60 months. Orientation fee, 0% to 10% of the target amount. Late fee, the greater of 5% of the last amount due, or $15, whichever is greater. All right, so the pros. Open to borrowers with fair credit, minimum 300 credit score. All right, so you got a minimum 300 credit score. Anybody can get this loan, bad credit. We'll accept applicants who have insufficient credit history and don't have credit score. No early payoff fees. 99% personal loan funds are sent the next business day after completing required paperwork before 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. All right, so this is the cons of it. High late fees. Orientation fee of 0% to 10% of the target amount, automatically withheld from the loan before it's delivered to you. $10 fee to request paper copies of loan agreement. No fee for e-signed virtual copies. Must have social security number. All right. And then it just breaks down a little general play of who Upstart is. So who is this for? Upstart is one of the few companies that look at the factors beyond your credit score when determining your eligibility. It is also offers fairly low interest rates. It considers factors like education, employment, credit history, and work experience. Generally, you will need a credit score of about 300 to qualify for a loan, but you can qualify even if you have an insufficient credit history. If you want to find out your APR before you apply, Upstart will perform a soft credit check. Once you apply for your loan, the company will perform a hard credit inquiry, which will temporarily ding your credit score. You can choose your 3-year or 5-year loan and borrow anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000. Plus, Upstart has fast service. You'll get your money next business day if you accept a loan before 5 p.m. The interest rates and fees, however, can add up, and y'all can read all that. So, Upstart is the website you go to apply. And like I said, car loan, refinance, and personal loans, borrow $1,000 to $50,000. Checking your rate takes 5 minutes, no prepayment penalty. 43.2 lower rates as compared to credit score only model. Learn more. Funding of the day, flexible loan amounts, $1,050. Ready before. So yeah, go to Upstart. Make sure y'all got y'all business order. Won't affect your credit score. Make sure y'all got y'all business in order. And they do got for small business funds. I got small business loans. I got different things, so check them out. Make sure you got your business in order when you do go check them out, so you can make sure you have a better rate of getting approved. All right. So let's talk about Upstart. There you guys got an Upstart personal loan. All right. Minimum FICO score. All you need is at least a 300 on at least one of the 3 FICO scores across the bureau. Have your documents together, have your paperwork together, and I can guarantee you'll get approved. I'm not saying you'll get approved for the whole $50,000, but if you got your paperwork together and you got the right documents, who's to say how much you get approved for? All right. So make sure, like I told y'all before in the beginning of the video, make sure you got your clean your credit profile. Make sure it look good. If you 18, 19, 20, 21. Make sure you got a bank account, a personal and checking savings account. Make sure you're getting direct deposit, or make sure you're making weekly or bi-weekly deposits into your bank account, so you can start building up a relationship with that bank. Make sure you go into a credit union or one of those small local banks in your city, because it's going to be easier for you to get approval. Make sure you add those trade lines so you can add more debt to your credit profile, so you can show these lenders and these credit and these banks that you can handle this debt and pay it off. Like, y'all gotta be able to prove that. You gotta be able to show that. It's not no game, it's not no show. A lot of people watch these videos and they go off the video and then they go right to the website and try to apply. Slow down. Slow down, for real. Please slow down. Y'all see these videos and y'all don't do y'all research, and y'all don't do the research that y'all need to do. Slow down. Y'all don't even follow the steps that I'm telling y'all to do in order to get the loan. Y'all just bypass that and say, I'm going to apply today. And once you go apply, you messing up one of your opportunity to get the loan with that company. Slow down. Slow and steady always wins the race. All right? Please slow down, because I want everybody to be able to have the opportunity to get these loans, to get the money and get the funding that they need. But you got to slow down. Stop watching these videos and jumping up and trying to apply for these loans, and you don't have nothing going on. You don't have none of your business or documents that you need, or even a bank account. Slow down, all right? Take the time that you need to really, if you got to rewatch my video 20 times just to make sure you got all the documents that you need. And that's another reason why I give lessons, so I can literally show you the steps that you need to do in order to get approved. Slow down. All right. This is some grown man and women business right here. Not for the weak-minded, not for kids. All right. So if you're really trying to elevate and get these loans, please get your credit profile together, add them trade lines, get them pay stubs, W-2s, 1099s, bank statements, whatever you need. I showed you websites, how to generate your own. I showed you how to create your own payroll service, payroll provider, how to get your own pay stub, all that. All right? Slow down, because y'all be tripping. And then when a lot of people be commenting saying, oh, I already know that you didn't get approved, because just off the way you're talking and the way you're presenting yourself, I wouldn't want to lend you no money neither, all right? So shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Make sure I keep doing that. Make sure y'all follow me on my other YouTube channels. I'm dropping a lot of good sauce, a lot of good reaction videos, a lot of entertaining videos. So make sure y'all tapped in on them, sharing the videos, commenting, liking, and running the views up. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. Links are in the description. Come get y'all limited gems, $500. Couple days left. And listen, when y'all write me on IG, please know what you want. If you're getting unlimited gems or whatever, please know what you want. I will not answer no. Stop yoing me in my inbox saying, so yo, what up? Stop doing that, because I'm not going to respond. I'm going to delete your messages, all right? Be about business when you write me in my DMs, or I will not respond, all right? So if I don't respond, I don't like your approach. I don't like how you coming to me. Either you got your hand out when you coming to me. I'm not finna give nobody a free lesson. So if you don't know how to do something, please get your lessons. Unlimited gems is $500 right now. They will be going back up to $2,000 soon, so don't miss out. Credit repair starts at $600. New age credit repair. So if you need credit lessons, they start at $600. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour, $3,500. That's in person. If you come to me, it's $3,500. If I got to come to you out of state, it's gonna be $4,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. I'm still looking for models, actors, rappers, cameraman, producers, rappers for my production company still. So if you got some talent, tap in with me. Music reviews are $200. So any rapper out there, any musician out there that want to send me your music, please have your payment ready. If you're not willing to invest $200 in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 in you? And before you get to saying anything slick, also remember, no record label, no A&R out there will literally listen to your music for free. No one will do that. Especially these major labels. Y'all already know how everybody else work. If you want to if you want to you want me to listen to you, you got to pay. Point blank, period. Nothing in life is free. So anybody think anything in life is free, you already losing. Anybody out there complaining about spending some money to invest in yourself, you want me to look at it already, but you're not willing to pay. So why should I invest in you? All right, so make it make sense. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. Peace.